Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to remove the background of any images in Canva. So at first, download Canva from your Google Play Store and install it. After installing this app, just open it. I have already installed the app, so I will just open Canva. After opening this app, you will see here a plus icon below. Just click on it, and now here you can see a option upload. Just click here. Now you can choose any images from your gallery. I will just click on the image. I will just click here on the particular image. Now click on edit image option. Now here you can see a option called Magic Studio. Just click here. Now you can see three options called BG Remover, Magic Eraser, Magic Edit. So we will need to click on Background Remover. Click here. Now you can see you can use these features free for 14 days, or you will have to buy the premium version of Canva. Now simply click on try it free for 14 days. Now you can see option called start trial and subscribe. You can click on it and the application will be accepted and you can use these features for 14 days. After that you will have to pay for the premium version. So I hope you understood the whole process and all the doubts are clear. If you like this tutorial, then please give a like to this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.